Welcome to the course Financial Crime and Cybersecurity. My name is Professor Gerhard Kling. I'm a chair in finance at the University of Aberdeen. First, I want to welcome you to this course. We will have several units exploring issues of financial crime and cybersecurity, and we'll also have 4 tutorials where we do some hands-on work using these methods. Now, this introduction stresses the fact that we talk about very sensitive topics in this course. So a very general content warning applies. By its nature, when we talk about financial crime and cybersecurity, we will explore some difficult topics. So I have to stress at the beginning of the course that this might be potentially upsetting for some of you. I also will introduce the dark web and how it can be used in the context of cybersecurity, in particular when it comes to looking for stolen content. Of course, it should be very clear that the dark web is far worse than the so-called clearnet, the normal public internet. And obviously many of the hidden services we will discover are not legal. So I will discuss very clearly what is legal and what isn't in this context. As long as you follow the guidelines discussed in the course, you are fine, at least fine in the UK. Now, that doesn't mean you are fine everywhere across the globe, because there are certain country-specific differences. In Unit 3, we talk about legal aspects and we discuss ethical hacking practices, and we will follow these practices throughout the course. I think it's important to realize that by its very nature, this course will cover sensitive topics. We will cover methods that are used by criminals because we have to understand them, otherwise we can't really protect against it. But obviously by doing so we will touch on a few very sensitive topics, and I think that's unavoidable in this particular case. I see you in the next unit.